These are little tiny corns after treatments, and we have these little tiny black kind of scabs, and this is from laser treatment, and it looks quite good. At this very moment. Very, very good. I don't know if we had a picture of them before. No. It looks very, very good. A little bit of scar tissue, but it looks like the wart tissue has reduced a large amount. Gonna probe inside. So the pain's gone now. There's no more pain.
Yeah, no pain.
Good. That looks very good. Okay. It looks fantastic. Nice work. Steffi, can you just zoom in for me for that lesion there? Just that one that I've done. Really good. Good. That looks good. And we're just going to do the next one. Again, this looks really good too. In the middle, just going to pop it out. Good, that looks good too. So we'll silver nitrate these areas as a precaution, and let's move on to this.
So that one, just where you were leaning on it a little bit, I felt a little bit of pain.
This one?
Yeah, I think is that the bone of my foot or the ball of my foot?
It could be.
Is it on the bone?
Good. Might be a wound in here. So it's going to pop it out. Might be some pus in here. Yeah, it's got a wound. That's good. It looks clear, there's no dots or anything in it. So it's just really now waiting for the tissue to fully regrow back. But that's why you're gonna use some silver nitrate, because at least as it's growing, you can catch anything that might be coming back out. Then just leaving it. and not these ones.
No.
I've really done two. Haven't done the big one, and I haven't done your heel. That looks like a nice wound. Bit of dry exudate here. Sorry, apologies. Also, this is tender, isn't it?
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay. That looks really good. The tissue is even. There's no irregular tissue, so that's quite good. I'm just gonna do this one. This one I think might need it.
Or maybe that's the one.
Okay. Bear with me. Can I change my blade for me, please? So there's one up here. It was kind of a good thing that you had so much kind of like pus and popping and stuff like that, because that's the immunity curdling inside the area.
Right.
So I always liked that actually.
Yeah, it felt like it was a hot ball under there.
Yeah.
And then, that day one day I just walked and it just come out.
Mm.
They're like two perfect holes.
Mm. I think you did too much. I think you probably went too crazy and then